How to set Who Can Call Me on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Here in Telegram homepage, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. In settings, you can see here the privacy and security. Go to this, and now here in privacy and security, in privacy section, you can see here the calls. Okay, tap the calls. And now you can set Who Can Call Me. And there are options below. So you can set into everybody, my contact, or you can set into nobody. So I decide to set into my contact. And also you can set the exemption. So you can set the never allow and always allow. So okay, you can tap this and select and tap the done button on the upper right side. And you can set the always allow. Okay, select, and after that, click done button on the upper right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set Who Can Call Me on Telegram. And okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.